Hello, students. Today we are going to see this fourth part of chapter 7, sorting, filtering, and page setup. So, what is mean by sorting? Sorting means arranging according to some order. Okay, either it ascending order or descending order or A to Z order or Z to A order. Okay, so this sorting helps you to organize data according to the sorted type. Okay, so in a table, okay, this spreadsheet is a flat database. Okay, it's also known as a flat file database. So there's database operations such as filtering, sorting can be done on spreadsheet. The data menu of OpenOffice Calc provides maximum data analysis tools such as sorting, filtering, validating, etc. In this part, the sorting and filtering features is to be learned. Okay, so first thing is database. A database is a repository of collection of related data or facts. It arranges them in specific structure. So the table given below contains detail of students in a class. So here you can see that they have created a database. It is a structure that collects the details of student 9 in particular school. Okay, so their group code, sorry, 12th standard. So their group code and their student name and their gender and their date of birth, uh, community, date of birth, and religion. Okay, so these all these things is been stored in a database, and this database is sorted by using some sorting tools which is available in the data menu, which is available in the OpenOffice Calc. So we'll see one by one. So sorting is a process of arranging data in ascending or descending order. There are two types of sorting in OpenOffice Calc. They are yes. So single sort, multiple sort, and sort by selection. Single sort, arranging data using single column is known as simple sort. For sorting the data, Cal provide two icons on the standard toolbar. First one is sort ascending, and the second one is sort descending. Sort ascending arranges the data in alphabetic order A to Z, or small to large. So descending means arrange data in the reverse order Z to A or large to small. So this is a sample data. These are all the records. Then you have to sort it. Okay. So first to place the cell pointer in the field or column. Okay, to be sorted. Um, Click sort ascending or descending icon. So open Office Calc, sort the data and of selected column and its corresponding value present in the other column, and also arrange simultaneously. So refer figure 7.65 uh, for that. Okay, so 7.64 you can find the icon that is present here. So here you can see that in 7.65 the total values of other columns also is been sorted by using this, placing the cell pointer anywhere in the column and cell ascending. Okay, sort ascending, you can see that it arranges in a different way. Okay, so next is multiple sort. So multiple sort is multiple data has been involved here, so we'll see that. Sorting data based on more than one field is known as multiple sort. For example, the worksheet contains data of 20 students belonging to different group of and classes. To arrange the data alphabetically by name, group, code, multiple sort is used. Okay, refer 7 figure 7.66. So in 7.66 you can see that we'll see that step 1, select data which is in the field which is in the uh, which is in the menu bar. So this menu bar, and then select sort. Okay, so in that you have to select the go to the step 2. Sort dialog box will appear to it as shown in figure 7.67. Okay, 7.67 is this. So this window will appear. Sort by student name. Okay, you have to select the field name. Okay, select the field name in which you want to sort from the sort by. It's a drop down list box that will show you all the column header. Okay, so choose the order of sorting, that is ascending or descending. uh, Ascending is the default selection, which means it will be selected by default. uh, select another field. Okay, and then by drop down list box you have to select group code from it. Okay, so and press OK. So it will be arranging mm, the ascending, or it will be arranging the student name based on the group code by using this ascending order. Okay, so if you want you can insert the third column and even the fourth column. Okay, so in this undefined field. Okay, so it will sort the data based on 3 columns or even 4 columns. Okay, so next is sort by selection. In cal, sorting can be done by selecting range, but this kind of sorting generally not recommended because the other relevant data are also not sorted. Therefore, OpenOffice Calc displayed warning message of this type of sorting. Refer 7.68. So if you want to do this sorting by selection, then it provides some disadvantages. Okay, so it will, and the other elements of the particular row will not be sorted. So the warning message will be sent to you to avoid using this sort. Okay, so select any particular field in which you want to sort. Click required sort icon from the standard toolbar or sort command. Sort range box message box has two options: extend selection, current selection. So extend selection sort all the data based on the selection. Current selection means sort only the selected range of data. Remaining data are not sorted. Okay, so next is filtering. So here you can see that this filtering process. The filter is a way of limiting the information appearing on the screen. So sorting range, you can see that it is providing you the warning message. So extend sort or current sort can be used here. So there are filtering. There are 3 different types of filtering: auto filtering, standard filtering, and advanced filtering. So auto filtering is applied to drop down list box to each field with a similar uh, data available in that field. Using that list box, you can filter the data that matches the criteria of the data consent. Using auto filtering, you have to click on the auto filtering icon available on the standard toolbar. Click data and filter, and then you have to select auto filter, which is an alternative method. So the list box contains similar data in the field. Will be provided a small drop down list keys so that you can sort by using that example. Okay, so sort by using that data. So next is they have given some example. Place the cell pointer wherever in the table. Click auto filter icon available in the standard toolbar, or click data filter and auto filter. Then click on the drop down list box. List arrow, a tiny rectangle to get the filtering criteria as per in figure 7.70. So 7.70 is this. You can see that when I click that, it will show all the available numbers in it. Okay, so it will be filtered according to that particular group code. Okay. mm. So even you can do this standard filtering just by selecting the standard filter. It will show you this dialog box, and then you have to select the criteria and condition value, everything. So if you want to remove the uh, auto filtering, then you can use this remove auto filter by clicking again the auto filter. So it will remove the auto filter icons from the fields. Okay, so it will display after removing the auto filter, it will display the data as per in original form. Okay, so here you can see that standard filters. Next to standard filter is when you click this standard filter, it will show you the uh, a dialog box like this. In this you have to select the field. So here they have given the kind of steps and an example. So this is an example, and this is the output that is produced by it. So next is selecting margin. Okay, so page setup, orientation means portrait and landscape. Margin means the spacing between the edge of the page and starting of the data. So this all these things can be done by using this style dialog box, page style dialog box. So you can just do it by clicking on the format page. Okay, so format is a separate tab that will be available in the menu bar. When you click that, it will display you the page icon. So when you click on this page option, it will show you this dialog box. In that you can select whatever option you need, and then click OK to uh, apply that settings to the page. So there is a option which is known as header tag, footer tag, tab, page tab. So you have to select this option to apply header, footer, or page setup. Okay, so with this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the rest of the things in the next class. So we'll be seeing about the yes, in this chapter is entirely finished here. We'll move on to the next chapter, which is chapter 8, presentation. Okay, so this uh, this chapter we'll be seeing about OpenOffice presentation. Okay, Impress. OpenOffice Impress is a separate software that is used to create PowerPoint presentation in OpenOffice platform. So thank you, students.